the age of collaboration. We need to collaborate. What you know, I do not know. What I know, you do not know. Together we know a lot. What you can do, I cannot do. What I can do, you cannot do. Together we know a lot. If you have this basic understanding, you will become better. And we should not think that we know everything. It's very important. I see in the political scenario, a leader thinks he knows everything. I don't agree. The life is full of dependence. We need to depend on others. I need to depend on my driver. There's a fire accident in a stadium in Germany, football match. Almost 30,000 people should have perished, but for two popcorn sellers who showed the way for the people to escape. My point is that people with knowledge should come together. For example, One World Academy, they have a wonderful knowledge how to reprogram the human species, how to program your mind and you become the best. They program you, they make you a mind programmer. And we also do a bit in respect of environmental management. So we train Panchayat presidents, elected representatives. We try to cause a mind shift, which is a mind frame. Generally, it's not I'm telling you, many come, get elected, they think it's a good way, easy way to become rich. Actually, they're supposed to make the life of people rich. They forget. Their motive becomes narrower. So what happened that we take classes. In fact, I've been taking these classes last about 4 or 5 years. It's a very simple title. Are you a Panchayat president or a people's president? So I asked people, what is Panchayat president, people's president? So I think I completed training for 4,000 presidents and many of them won awards. These presidents, what they do, they appreciate, understand. If Panchayat president means the life, the career is 5 years and they should get re-elected for them to continue. And as a Panchayat president, the name will come on the Panchayat, it's a board who are the presidents. Their name will come on the board as well. But people's president means their name is written on the hearts of all the people. The people will never forget. This is a basic idea. So Panchayat presidents think that becoming Panchayat president, they should get whatever the government offers, deliver to people to the extent possible. But we tell there's only one door. What government has one door. There are 200 doors other than government. We tell them, why don't you go and knock other doors and why you think you should do only what is told by Panchayat Act? Why don't you become like a Rotary president, Lions president? Why don't you conduct medical camps? Why don't you health profile of all the people, put in a computer, join with the Lions and do medical camp, join with Rotary, do what you call a vocational service camp, with why don't you do education service along with the round table. There are so many doors of opportunity. We introduce them and we also tell them the need and how easy they can achieve, make their village a model. In fact, due to training, many villages become model, they all won award. But it's not sufficient because they are not very happy with the percentage of the success. Still we have to go a long way. Basically, more than what we teach, something extra is needed. At subconscious level they need to be changed, altered, their mind. Very long time they've been telling themselves someday I'll become a leader. I don't want to say what they wanted to get as a leader, but it occurred to me when I attended this program of One World Academy, why not we join? Why we show them the doors of opportunities of making the village a beautiful model. If they become really a good human soul, I think even the other training is not needed. So we have arranged now with One World Academy. I think probably the only, though we have partnership with governments and many corporates, I'm proud to announce that we are recognized One World Academy as a best institution. So One World Academy and Exnora will go hand in hand. So we are going to shortly have a training for Exnora leaders first by One World Academy. The reason that our Exnora leaders should understand the worth of this program. Once they attend and they'll all come from districts, then we'll give them the list of presidents who attend our program. These presidents will be brought. I am very happy to inform One World Academy is going to do it as a service. It's not going to be, they're not going to charge. The presidents will be brought to Chennai and they will attend this program. They attend this mind transformation program, and they will find a new meaning for their life, this avatar. And they will know that once they attend that unknowingly they may be saving money in bank, one of the nationalist banks, but they're saving, I don't know what they save, power or punya. They'll all learn it, power punya. So this program will start, and this will be a beautiful complementing, and it will produce a lot of synergy. I made one Mr. Paramanandam in charge for it. He is at it actually. So the plan that we have now is the first training will be done for ex-Nora leaders, about 50 persons in a college or some good hall, and then we'll start getting the Panchayat presidents here to Chennai, and we'll get at least five from each districts to begin with, and then the 12,000 presidents, as long as we can do, the presidents will keep coming. Then we can take this training to also neighboring states. After all, there are also poor people are there, and the only thing we need to know each local language. Which One World Academy, I know they possess the faculty members who are good in the several languages. I'm giving you an excellent ray of hope that things will become wonderful. And there are villages where the waste becomes wealth, the SHGs get employment, a lot of developments taking place in the village, joining at service clubs. They get funds from funding agencies abroad and India. We also help them to trace the NRIs who originally belong to the village and ask them to support the village. We have make a tie-up with charities, trusts for the villages, and also, of course, the most important being their own inner development. That's where we count upon One World Academy. I'm very sure that it's going to happen, and when it happens, Tamil Nadu villages will become models for other villages, other parts of the country. They'll become beacon lights, and definitely the other presidents, other states who come to know of it, they will necessarily visit here, and once they visit, they will get a question in their mind: if this village can do, why not my village? If the question comes in their mind,